Hi guys, it's me, Batamash. It's been a while no see of me because I've been busy playing video games. So while I'm busy playing video games with I am having enjoyed another tour review from Scotland's Pride.
Hello there, it's me, Scotland's Fry. Today we're going our tour review Today we're going to review a McDonald's Bubblehead, McDonald's and Friends Bubbleheads. It's from McDonald's right there. Let's take a look at the package. You see window boxes show the friends right there. At the back here, at the sides here, we can see another logo of McDonald's right there at the end. Backside we got nothing, only red color. On the top side we get a bio to give you information about the friend. Okay, so anyways, let's open it up and see what it looks like. Okay, so here's outdoor packaging of themselves. You can see there are Ronald Grimace, Hamburglar, and Birdie, Early Bird. So there are friends. Let's start with Birdie. She's pretty cute, and he has a duck, duck beak, and her ponytail looks waggling. And I like the goggles top right there. He has a black eyelashes. There's a screw on. We can screw for it. There's a letter on letter M for McDonald's on her shirt. The molding detail looks nice. He has a limited head articulation. 4 pictures have a bubble head. Whoa. So anyways, side. Let's move on to Hamburglar himself. Pretty menacing, he's saying. The smile itself looks cute. He has a goopy eyes. It has a red painted gloves and look a jailbreak clothing. He has a red orange hair on him. He has a black top hat with his mask. It's called black. At the front side have a red tie with M logo for McDonald's. At the bottom one he has a red shoes. Just like it, he has waggly. And also it can do this. Okay, so let's get inside. Let's move on to my favorite character of time, Grimace. Yes, I have one inside my house, but this guy looks cute. I really love him so much. I got him from McDonald's as a child, pretty much it. So he has a Happy Meal box on it, and without painted smile, really cute. Nice looking. You can have a more on itself. So let's move on. Lastly, here's yourself, Ronald. He's a red-faced clown. He has a red hair right here. He has a really big bright smile and eyes. A letter M on his clothing. It has a red and white striped sleeve and yellow gloves. That's fantastic shoes. Red shoes. That's missing pink right there. Okay, so that's very much it. So review. So thanks for watching, and don't forget rate, favorite, subscribe, give it up if you like it, and see you next time. Bye bye.